Hello everyone, it's Mr. Reed. So first off, I want to welcome you guys. Hope you had a nice 2 weeks off. Hopefully you've been staying safe and healthy. Um, so the purpose of this video is to catch you guys up on what's all about to happen. Uh, Obviously we're going all virtual learning, and so you're gonna need a lot of information. So I'm gonna try to put as much as information as I can into this video. Okay, so obviously you're still gonna be logging onto Portal. That's where most of everything is gonna be at. Um, you're gonna want to check Schoology a lot for me. If you go to Schoology and you go to your course, this is for the Algebra 1 and pre-AP Algebra 1 kids. Um, so here I've moved all the stuff that we were doing, the assignment numbers and all that stuff down, and mainly you're going to be focusing on this up here. So here I have a page of important links. Um, oh, that should be off. Sorry about that. The PHS student website is a really good website for you to get a lot of information. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that you can come here to see. Ms. Gomez has a principal's corner, and then there's just a lot of resources you can come see. Here, there's a bunch of links of and pages for the food bank. Um, what else do they have? For communication, if you want to communicate with your teachers, here that all the math teachers information is here. You guys are the class of 2023, so you can chat with you can see chat with your counselor and also see the assistant principal's corner. They haven't added anything yet, but they will. And also a big thing here is if you don't know how to check your email, you have to be able to check your email. If you go to the very bottom on the home page, you click on my email, it'll take you to where something that looks like this, or it'll tell you to log in. You're gonna still use your Pasadena portal info, and then you're going to click on Outlook. Outlook is where all your emails are at. Okay, now let's go back to Schoology. So I'm going to close this. So these are some other good links if you need anything. Also, if you read my email that I sent you guys, those links are the same. Um, Joining my Remind. Um, that's where if you haven't joined my Remind, you have to join my Remind. It is a must now since I cannot talk to you face to face. So the Remind is there's going to be a lot of good information there. Okay. Um, so another thing now is since we really can't teach you, I can't teach you online. We're gonna have this thing called office hours, and so if you click here, so here we will be able to talk to each other. If you click on this link, it'll take you to this website. Now, when you get to this website, you're gonna want to hit allow. You have to hit allow. If not, then you won't be able to use it usefully. All right, so go ahead and hit allow, and so then you're gonna pop up. Um, and then you're just gonna join now, and this is where we're gonna talk to each other, and I can help you. And then if you just want to talk, obviously tomorrow I just want to talk to you guys. I want to see how y'all are doing. I miss you guys a lot. I'm bored over here, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. Okay, so we're gonna be able to talk to each other and stuff like that, and then you can ask me questions, anything. So let me get rid of that. So this is going to mainly happen Monday through Friday from 9 to 11 a.m. You get an hour for lunch and then 12 to 2. Now, you do not have to be there every day all the time. This is only if you need help or if you want to come talk to me. Um, this is not mandatory. What's mandatory is the class on Edgenuity, which I'm about to show you. But this is just think of it as a tutorials, okay? Think of the office hours as tutorials. Um, Now, if you for some reason want to chat with me outside of that time frame, you can either send me an email or a message on Remind to check if I'm available. More than likely, due to this coronavirus, I will be available because I'm going to be stuck at home doing nothing. I mean, I do that normally anyways. So, but yeah, so if there's something that you have a question on that you want me to work out with you, I can just send me a message on Remind or an email, and I will be glad to get on with you guys. Okay. Um, oh, another thing is you do have to be signed into your Google account for Pasadena there as well in order to use that. All right. Now, let's go to Edgenuity. So the way this is everything's going to happen now is our class is gonna be on Edgenuity. Okay, so if you go to Edgenuity, so if you go to applications, it's Edgenuity. Now yours is just gonna go straight through. I'm an educator, so I'm just gonna click on students, and yours is gonna look. Don't worry about that. You're not like this. These are the two subjects I teach. You're gonna have all your subjects. You're gonna have Algebra 1, English, depending on what all classes you're using Edgenuity for. So what Algebra 1 is gonna look like is like this. Okay, so it comes with warm-ups, comes with online instructions, summaries, assignments, lesson notes. So the big thing about lesson notes is that you're gonna actually have to take notes during the instruction. Okay, so when you go to click on the instruction and you watch this video, it's popping up, you're gonna actually have to take notes. So there's that. Okay, so let me go back. And so what's gonna happen is here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna type, I sent you the notes on, you can either send them to me on Remind as a picture, just take a picture of your notes, send them to me, and I have to grade you on that. Or you can send them through email, but you have to submit 10 words. The sentence has to be 10 words. So just come up with a sentence, I don't know, just write something that you learned or something like that, and then hit submit, and I will get that. Okay, and from there I will be able to receive that. Now, one thing is, there is not dates yet, but there's the district is working on putting dates of to give you basically a rough estimate on when you should complete this by. That way, we can complete this in time in order for you to get your credits. So it looks like there's only 2 sections, but really each section has a bunch. So this factoring polynomials has all of this, and then factoring polynomials double group has all of this that you have to complete. So it looks like there's not a lot of work, but there is. And then solving quadratics. Now the good thing is, this is all stuff we've done already in class. Okay, this is all a review. Yes, you have to do it again, and yes, you might have to do it by hand, some of the stuff. But oh, and that's another thing I wanted to show you guys is like on the assignment, if you want to practice. Um, So you have to figure this out. If you need to use a calculator, the Desmos graphing calculator is the calculator for Edgenuity. So if you click on graphing calculator here, then Desmos pops up for you. Okay, the exact same Desmos. Actually, I think it's the better one that you get to use. Um, and so that's what you get to use for your assignments. So this is where all of our assignments are going to be happening now on Edgenuity. Okay, so this is where you're going to get all your grades here. You're going to get about 1 or 2 grades a week based on all of this stuff. Okay, now if you have any questions, please send me an email, send me a remind. We are starting this on Monday, March 23rd. Okay, so if you're watching that, I'm going to tell you how to watch it on Monday anyway. So you're watching it today. You're supposed to start today, so start as soon as possible. I will be on the video chat, so go ahead and come talk to me, say hi, please. I miss you guys. Um, Other than that, that's it.